In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. This connection lets your workspace share updates automatically, so you can keep projects moving without switching between tools. I'll walk you through exactly where to click in Notion and what to expect during the setup, and I'll add helpful context so nothing feels confusing. First, open the Notion website and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct account you want to connect. It helps to keep Slack open in another browser tab too, so you can quickly approve the connection when prompted. Now, in Notion, click your profile icon in the top corner and choose Settings. From the Settings menu, head to the Connections section. This is where Notion lets you manage all linked apps. Look for the area labeled Notion AI Connectors and click Explore. You're going to see a list of available integrations that work with Notion's AI features and automation. Find Slack in the list and select it. On the Slack page, click the plus icon to start connecting. At this point, Notion will let you know that Slack integration requires an upgrade. Review the upgrade prompt and complete the upgrade for your workspace. This step is necessary to unlock the Slack connector, and the on-screen guidance will walk you through the plan options and the confirmation process. If you're part of a team, you may need someone with billing permissions to approve the upgrade. Once the upgrade is done, Notion will return you to the Slack connector flow. Follow the prompts on your screen to finish the connection. Typically, you'll be asked to choose your Slack workspace, review the permissions requested, and authorize access. Read the permission details so you know what Notion can do on your behalf, then confirm. If you have access to multiple Slack workspaces, make sure you select the correct one for your projects. When authorization completes, Notion will display Slack under your connections with a connected status. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or revisit the Connections section. From here, you can manage or disconnect the integration at any time. A quick tip: if you run into access errors, double-check that you're logged into the right Slack workspace and that you have permission to install apps there. Also, if the Slack option didn't appear at first, exploring from the Notion AI Connectors section and ensuring your upgrade is active usually resolves it. That's it. You've connected Notion to Slack by opening Notion, going into Settings, selecting Connections, exploring Notion AI Connectors, choosing Slack, upgrading when prompted, and approving the connection on screen. You're now ready to streamline your workflow.